In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your PDF file less than 1 megabyte. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And this might be very useful for you, especially if you're someone who, uses your PDF a lot, like it's a big size PDF. Maybe you need to send it somewhere, but there's a file upload limit for the size. So the easiest thing to go ahead and do, I have a PDF right here that we're going to be using. Right now, if I go over to show more options and I click properties, this one is like very small, but yours obviously might be bigger because this one is just a random text PDF file. But what I want to do is I want to open this in something like Chrome. Then I want to press this printer icon right here. I can save it as a PDF, but sometimes you're going to get an option for you to basically change like the size of it and the DPI of it. If you lower it, it's going to lower your file size as well. But what you want to also go ahead and do is you can go over to your browser of choice, and then you can type in I love PDF like so. And then what you want to do is open this up. Then you're going to see compress PDF as one of the options. You can select PDF files. So let's just say I want to use this one right here. And then you can do recommendation, you can do extreme compression like so, and then compress the PDF. And now it went from 36 kilobytes to 13.59 kilobytes. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.